What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today we're actually going to be working on the E46. We got a few new mods for the E46 that came in, mostly interior mods. Alrighty guys, so if you look over here, we went ahead and got this Alcantara shift boot. I wanted to go with like a nice clean look, so we're gonna see how this looks. We might not end up keeping this. Like I said, guys, I just want to try these parts out, see if they actually fit. Yeah, we're gonna try this nice Alcantara shift boot, and then we also got the shift knob right here, so I decided to go with like a ZHP style shift knob. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not exactly the M shift knob, but I wanted something close to it. And then we also got this piece right over here. This unlock button doesn't work in the car, so I'm hoping this will fix that problem. So I went ahead and bought this off of eBay, so let's see if this works as well. But yeah guys, we're actually gonna be heading over to Nick's shop to do all this stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead, head out. Alright guys, so we made it to Nick's shop, as you guys saw. We ended up buying, like I showed you guys earlier, we got this shift knob, and we also got the shift boot. So we're gonna go ahead and install these right now. I guess we got this like old wooden one. It looks pretty old school, if you ask me. It's like this. It's like cracking a little bit in there too. And then we also got this like old leather boot that's like hardened leather, and it just doesn't look good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead.
We definitely need to swap that one, bro.
Should I try it?
Just yank it out. Yeah, I think.
Oh, that was actually really easy.
Dude, that thing's like falling apart.
Bro.
Let me see that.
It's actually not in terrible condition for the age. Yeah, guys, so this is like lightweight. And we want something heavier. This is a little bit heavier.
Does it feel heavier? How does it feel?
Bro, it's like honestly the same actually.
Ah, what a rip.
Bro, I don't know. We might end up going like RTD shifter in the future.
Yeah, that's a move for sure, bro. Especially on an E46.
I know, I think it would be clean, but it's also not that fast. And I would need a better clutch, realistically, for it to be worth it. But let's go ahead and take this off. All right, I don't want to break the thing. But, oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Wow, dude.
Just come off.
That was actually so easy. What the heck? Yeah, so guys, this switch, we ended up buying another switch because the hazards work, but the locking doesn't work. So I honestly, I feel like it might actually be like a fuse.
Bro,
problem.
That locking system is actually very infamous for breaking down, or if that's the word for
like
it.
This
I don't
button?
know. Yeah, bro, I literally had the same thing on my very first E46. I literally had the same issue. It's actually frustrating when you're trying to get people inside the car.
Yeah.
That one, yeah, I think it should just come off. Guys, we might have to pull off this piece. It's held on like Phillips head.
That's it? That's easy.
Screwdrivers.
Okay, let's try that then. As well. But yeah. I think what we should do right now is try to take this piece off.
How does this look? Does it fit well up top?
Let's see, because maybe we can just like
fit it up over it.
Fit it over it.
It looks like a wizard's hat.
Like, I was just gonna say it looks like a wizard's hat or something.
Bmw wizard.
Yo, what is that?
Bro, imagine this tall of it.
Oh.
It only goes in first, bro. It only stays in first.
Alrighty guys, so pretty much we took off this old leather one right over here. We got this one off. So we got this on now. So this is the back side. So this is kind of how you would shift. You would shift it like right here, going back and forth. We got this like nice little stitching right over here. So we're gonna go ahead install this, but first thing we gotta do is put glue on the sides. So we got these holding down right here, and we're gonna go ahead and use some JB Weld type of glue. It's really sticky, actually. It's already sticky on my hands. So we're gonna go ahead and do that first, let it dry, and then we're gonna go ahead and install this thing. Alright guys, so pretty much we put some heavy duty JB Weld plastic weld is what it is around the sides, and we're gonna go ahead and let it sit on there for at least 30 minutes because we want it to be perfect. So far it's turning out really good, and huge shout out to Nick because he's done this before. I've not really done this, and he's had the pain of messing it up. I'm sorry, but he's literally had the pain of messing it up, so he's really helping me out by actually doing it the proper way. So we're gonna let it sit. I think in the meantime while we're letting it sit, we're gonna go ahead and replace that little that button, the lock button, yeah, in the center, and then we're gonna come back, check on this, and then hopefully install it and put on the shift knob. I'm really excited about this.
Bro, that's a whole new look.
Bro, it's gonna look so much better in there, so I'm really excited about that. So yeah, let's go ahead and head into the interior. Yeah guys, I think next up, we're gonna need to get some aluminum trim in here, or paint this, or wrap it even.
Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this wood trim, bro.
The wood trim is so garbage. I've never liked wood trim. There's only one wood trim I've ever liked, and it's actually the 135 wood trim. You know which one I'm talking about?
Yeah.
It's like a darker,
like I know what you're talking about.
Wood trim. It actually looks pretty cool. But yeah, these have to go here pretty shortly. So probably in the next video or so, we'll see what happens. But yeah, let's go ahead and figure out how to like actually take this thing out.
Bro.
Dude.
Bro, we just saved a whole headache.
Dude, seriously.
Guys, we just saved a whole freaking headache of like pulling out this whole piece.
Bro, that's crazy.
Finesse.
Alright, let's get that out real quick.
Bro, so what usually happens is like this piece inside just breaks, bro, or like it goes loose or something like that.
I bought a brand new one for 10 bucks.
Really?
You know what I mean? Like it's so cheap.
Actually?
Yeah, literally 10 bucks.
Bruh. There you go. Okay, cool. Rip.
No.
I think you have to have the so unlock the car and maybe have the doors locked.
Think like this would work? Oh, yeah, there we go. Bro, finally.
Bro, what in the world?
Dude, it works. There we go. Hold on, let's see.
Johnny, congrats.
Cool. So you just need power for a little bit.
Yeah. You need power for it,
sense.
yeah.
I feel like...
You see? It's not gonna unlock it.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
That just must be an E46 thing.
It is.
Dang, dude, that kind of sucks.
Bro, I literally remember this. I had the same exact issue. I'm not even joking.
One of you guys actually reached out to me on Instagram, and you guys said that there's this like paint mixture type of situation where you can like spray paint these like plastic pieces, and it looks brand new. So I might have to try that.
That's actually interesting, bro, because
he sent me a link and everything.
These things are so bad, like
always so bad.
The paint on them, it's like it goes
dude,
it's like a powder coat or something going on there, bro. It's actually annoying.
It's something like that. And he's like, yeah, he's like, I actually did it. He's like, it would be interesting to see a video on it. So he's like, he sent me the link and everything, so I might have to cop it and try it. Let me know if you guys would be interested in something like that, because I know a lot of these. I went to Pick and Pull, and bro, these are all so bad. Like you can see how it kind of like peels up and everything. I don't know, like over here maybe, and like
the camera can catch all that.
Yeah, it's pretty dark in here, but yeah guys, so I might end up trying that, see if that works, and maybe make a sick video on that, because apparently there's like no videos on that. So
bro, like realistically you can do all this like right here.
Literally everything. Take it all out and like,
yeah, honestly, like this piece right here, this piece, bro, it's actually gonna like, there's a lot to spray paint and it'll look so fresh. So
it would look so fresh and so clean. So we might have to try that, because I couldn't find a good used one anywhere. Like you have to pay like a top dollar for like a brand new one. I really don't want to do that for an E46 like this, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
If it was an M3 I would probably do it, but since it's not, like we gotta find cheaper solutions, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, so
budget build. But now we got this working. It still works.
Let me catch that real quick.
You already know, bro. Sheesh. You already know the vibe.
Let's go check up on that shift boot.
Yes, let's do it. Let's see how it's feeling. Alrighty guys, so pretty much we've been waiting for a little bit. It's still a little bit sticky, so we're gonna go ahead and wait still. In the meantime, we are gonna take off this. We are gonna take off this cluster. I don't know if you guys can see, but that little metal ring is like falling off. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off and see if we can get in there and like glue that on as well. So we're gonna go ahead and try that real quick. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and take off that cluster real quick and see what we're working with.
Alright guys, this is literally how it comes off.
Pretty easy to take it off, realistically. It's like one of those little games, you know?
Yeah, it's literally like a little game, bro.
See if we can finesse it. No, it's turning the wrong way.
Oh shoot,
Oh no, bro, it's upside down.
Bro,
What's going
it's literally.
Bro.
Oh, we're back in business.
No way. Is it gonna come off though if I like floor it?
I don't know, it's staying on there.
It's staying on there, bro. Let's just put it back. Yo, what the heck? Bro, it's actually fitting though.
Bro, I just realized that it's more of like on an angle that way.
Yeah, I doubt that it would actually fall off.
This car is not like single turbo, bro.
It's not that fast.
It's not turbo and it doesn't have like 1,000 horsepower to where everything's gonna fall off.
Alrighty guys, so we got that on. It looks so much better than before. I don't know, it was really bugging me how this was just like falling off. I really didn't like that. So I did want to get that fixed, and so far, I mean, it looks like it's pretty fine, but I guess worst case, if it falls off again, we're just gonna have to redo that because I don't know if there's any way to get into there. So if you guys know of a way to get into there, let us know. But for now, this seems to be working. So let's go ahead, double check on how the shift boot is coming along. I think it's almost ready, so let's go ahead and check. All right guys, so it's been sitting for at least 30 minutes, probably closer to 45 minutes. So yeah, now we're ready to go ahead and install it. So just enough to where it's like actually holding.
No, it's still a little bit like.
We might have to cut because it's like it's still kind of popping up. It's like on but not on at the same time.
Yeah.
I don't know if that makes sense, but honestly, that looks so good.
Bro, it actually came out really good.
Bro, that looks so good, dude.
That looks a lot better, bro.
That looks so
than what you had on there.
Bro, look at it's like literally night and day, dude. I don't know if you're gonna be able to catch it on camera, but it's like plastic in there. And yeah, it's gonna be too hard to see.
You can barely see that with my own eyes.
Yeah. So it looks like we're definitely gonna have to put some like of the same stuff right here. Probably like right on top because it does like fit over.
Yeah, I think at the top piece right here.
Yeah, like just all over the top, like in here and like right around here. And then just let it sit for like an hour. Yeah, dude, it's perfect. Woo, this dude. It's giving me anxiety over here. Yo.
Am I putting it on the right way?
Oh, you are. Is it on? Like something like that. Alright guys, so pretty much we put it on there now, and we're just gonna wait like at least an hour before we actually shift with this or do anything with it because it takes an hour to cure, but realistically it needs to sit for like at least a day, I feel like, right?
Yeah.
Like definitely
honestly,
at least a day.
Yeah, I'd let it sit. Like, bro, you gotta be really careful when you're shifting, like
really
on the way home.
Yeah.
And then just, yeah.
Luckily it's just all straight on the highway.
Yeah, yeah. So, plus it's nighttime, so you're not gonna be shifting.
I'm not gonna be shifting like, I'm not gonna be racing anybody in this thing anyways. So realistically. Alright guys, so we're gonna cut back to you guys in about an hour. For us at least, probably like 5 seconds for you. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of the video. So I realized that I never actually recorded an outro to the video. We got the shift boot installed. We also got the shift knob installed. We also did a few other things. Very, very happy with how it turned out. I really, really like it. And it was really cheap. It was only $50 to do all these mods. So pretty cheap if you ask me. Completely changes the interior as well. So very, very happy with that. If you guys enjoyed the video in any way, make sure to give it a like down below. And make sure to subscribe while you guys are at it. I would really, really appreciate that. Make sure to follow us on Instagram. I'll go ahead and throw up both my Instagram and Nick's Instagram. So definitely go check those out. With that being said, guys, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.